I am so happy that we finally reached 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. That's why I thought we should celebrate it by making perfectly fudgy chocolate oozing brownie. It's extremely simple and quick to make. And did I tell you welcome to my channel, Mashita? I hope you all are well and thriving. And before further ado, let's get started. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease an 8x8-inch baking pan with butter and line it with parchment paper. In a generously sized microwave-safe bowl, heat 226 gram or 1 cup butter in 20-second bursts in the microwave, stirring well after each interval, until it's completely melted, which should take around 2 minutes. Next, add 400 gram or 2 cups fine granulated sugar and 75 gram or 3/4 cup cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee to enhance the chocolate flavor. Whisking vigorously for about 30 seconds. Then use hand mixer to mix the batter well till some of the sugar dissolves. And meanwhile the sugar is getting dissolved, hit that subscribe button and comment what do you like to have with brownie. Finally, add 3 large room temperature eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then mix it well till it fully combines. Now again use hand mixer and mix the batter at medium speed until almost all the sugar dissolves. Until our sugar is getting dissolved, let's dive into some fun facts about brownie. No one really knows where brownies first came from. There are 3 theories about the invention of brownies. First one is a chef accidentally added melted chocolate into biscuit dough. The second one is a cook forgot to add flour to the batter while baking cake. And the most popular theory, a housewife did not have baking powder and improvised with this new treat. According to the story, she was baking for guests and decided to serve these flattened cakes to them. Now as you can see that the texture of our batter is like so smooth and there are almost no sugar granules in them. And if you take the batter into your finger and rub it, then you do not feel it gritty. There sure is some teeny tiny sugar particles, but that's all good, no need to worry about it. That's the thing, give us the signature crinkly top for the brownie. Now cut 270 gram or 1.5 cups semi-sweet chocolate into some large and small pieces. This will give us that oozing lava-like texture to our brownies, and believe me, that's so good. Basically it's a heaven for chocolate lovers. And now add 120 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour and our chunks of chocolate that we cut before. Mix it well. You can mix it more than other cake batter to get that fudgy and chewy texture. Now pour the batter into our prepared pan, and you can sprinkle the top with more chocolate chips if you desire it. Then bake for about 35 to 40 minutes, inserting a toothpick into the center to check doneness, and removing it with several moist crumbs for fudgy brownies or only a few crumbs for cakey brownies. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before slicing. The brownie indulgence tantalizes with its rich, dark chocolate flavor and moist, fudgy texture. Its crackled exterior gives way to a soft, melt-in-your-mouth center, creating a perfect balance of indulgence in every bite. If you liked the video, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Take care.